Credit repair business owners. If you're sending the same dispute letters over and over again and just hoping something gets deleted, that's not strategy. Inside the Client Dispute Manager software, we use built-in dispute strategies. Each strategy has a clear purpose. Each one has steps. Each one tells you what to do next. So today I'm going to walk you through the 12 dispute strategies inside the Client Dispute Manager and explain exactly what they do and show you how they help your business run more professionally. Now before we begin, Client Dispute Manager software helps you dispute information that is inaccurate, incomplete, or cannot be verified. Every strategy inside the Client Dispute Manager has structure, has rounds, has escalation steps, and follows a system. This will help you stop reacting emotionally and start operating like a real dispute processor. So now let's go ahead and go through the 12 dispute strategies. First, to find these dispute strategies inside the software, from your main menu you want to go to Dispute Manager, and then from the drop down you want to go to Dispute Strategies. So these are all the 12 dispute strategies right here. So let's go ahead and go over each one. First, you have Verified Response Strategy. When an account comes back verified, you do not repeat the same dispute. You want to dispute a different inaccurate field inside the account, you want to ask for the method of verification, and pull a new credit report before the next round. It'll help prevent your dispute from being marked as frivolous, and it keeps your strategy smart instead of repetitive. Next, you have the Stall Letter Response. If the bureau sends stall letters like frivolous, missing information, contact the furnisher, or already verified, Client Dispute Manager gives you structured responses for each situation. This strategy will help you so you don't panic, you don't guess, and you respond correctly and keep the process moving. This will help protect your credibility as a professional. Next, you have the step-by-step dispute flow. This strategy starts simple. You send a round 1 dispute to the credit bureaus challenging inaccurate personal information, accounts, and inquiries. If the account comes back verified, you're going to move to round 2 on the dispute flow, then round 3. Each round becomes stronger and more detailed. How this strategy helps you. You will always know what to send next. There's no confusion, no guessing, no random letters. This is perfect for beginners because it teaches you structure and discipline. Next, you have Double Attack, Collector, and Credit Bureau Dispute. This strategy will teach you how to dispute with the credit bureau and the collection agency at the same time. You challenge verification at the bureau while asking the collector for proof. How does this strategy help you? It stops the "we're waiting on them" excuse, and it keeps the case moving forward instead of stalling. Next, you have Double Attack with the creditor and the credit bureau dispute. You can dispute the same account with the credit bureau and the creditor at the same time, and both of these parties must respond to the dispute. So how can this strategy help you? It prevents them from blaming each other. You remove delays and apply pressure on both sides at once, and this can make your dispute process more efficient. Next, you have Credit Bureau, Creditor, and Collector Triple Dispute Flow. You dispute with the credit bureau, creditor, and collector in structured rounds. If needed, you file complaints with regulators like CFPB or Attorney General. So how can this strategy help you? This gives you coordinated pressure, it's stronger than single disputes, and gives you a higher level strategy when basic rounds don't work. Next, you have the FACTA Creditor Laser Dispute Flow. Instead of focusing on credit bureaus, this strategy will help you focus on the original creditor. You'll be able to send letters asking them to investigate the account and provide proof of what they're reporting. If they cannot provide proper documentation, you continue escalating. So how can this strategy help you? It applies pressure at the source of the reporting. Sometimes the creditor is the weak point. This gives you a direct way to challenge them instead of waiting for the bureaus. Next, you have Factual Credit Bureau Dispute Flow. This strategy focuses only on the credit bureaus. You dispute inaccurate accounts like balances, dates, payment history, or high credit limits. If they verify the account, you're going to ask how was it verified and then challenge different inaccurate details in the next round. So how can this strategy help you? It sharpens your bureau level skills. You learn how to challenge reporting step by step instead of jumping straight into complaints, and this is going to help you build a strong foundation in your business. Next, you have FDCPA Collector Blaze Dispute Flow. This strategy is only for the collection accounts. First, you request all information about the debt, then you compare that information to the credit report, then you dispute any errors and ask for proof. If needed, you escalate step by step. So how does this strategy help you? It gives you control when dealing with collectors. Instead of reacting emotionally, you're going to follow a process, and this protects your clients and keeps your workflow organized. Next, you have the Aggressive 4-Point Dispute Flow. You dispute with the bureau, creditor, and collector, and file complaints in a planned order. Now this strategy is more advanced and requires more time. So how can this strategy help you? This strategy gives you a next level option. Instead of feeling stuck on difficult files, you have a stronger structure plan to follow. Next, you have the AI factual and consumer law attack workflow. Inside the Client Dispute Manager software, you select the inaccurate items, then the AI builds the dispute. This is the strategy that you're going to use if ever you get stuck when using the AI feature. If you use the AI/Metro 2 letters feature in the software, there's an option for you to choose factual and consumer law attack. This is the workflow that you're going to pull up if you get stuck and you don't know where to start. This is going to tell you what dispute category to use for round 1 up to round 6. And then lastly, you have the Metro 2 workflow. You're going to use this strategy if you're using the AI/Metro 2 letters feature. If you choose to do a Metro 2 attack and you get stuck or you don't know where to start, just go ahead and pull out the Metro 2 workflow, and this will guide you on what dispute category to use for the first round up to 6 rounds. So that way you're not just guessing, instead you have a structure that you can follow. So these are the 12 dispute strategies inside the Client Dispute Manager software. With these strategies, you don't just send letters, you follow systems, you follow strategy, and you escalate step by step. This will make your business more organized, more consistent, more professional, and easier to grow. If you want to learn more about this, just click on the link below to get started and be a CDM credit boss.